Greetings. In this lesson, we want to discuss the expansion of brackets. So we are continuing with our lesson from what we did previously. In our previous lesson, takadzidza pamusoro the expansion of brackets. Saka maybe as a reminder, let us do a small recall of what we learned in our previous lesson. Saka in our previous lesson, takadiscover kuti chekutanga we have a process which is called removing brackets. Saka we have a process which is called removing brackets. So removing brackets inoitwa sei? Maitiro atinoita removing brackets ndeyekuti we have a situation, a general situation, for example, A multiplying the bracket B plus C. Saka before we go anywhere, takadiscussa in our previous lesson kuti multiplication tinoidinota in different ways. Tikati A times B, this is a denotation of multiplication. A multiplying B. Tinogona zvakare kuti A dot B. Izvi zvowanzo kushanda kumavectors. Vanenge vachiiti dot multiplication. But even kusiri kumavectors, we are equally allowed kushandisa a dot to refer to multiplication kana kuti the multiplying operator. We can also say A bracket B. This also means A multiplying B. Saka kana tati A bracket B plus C, zvatiri kureva panapa in essence tiri kungoreva kuti A multiplying this bracket, and the bracket contains B plus C. So when we were discussing about removing brackets, takapa is a golden rule kuti whenever we have brackets, we have to solve what is inside the brackets first. Saka this is our rule of thumb. This is very important. Saka before we go anywhere, the moment we notice that we have brackets in the expression or the equation, tinotarisa mukati mebracket toona kuti can we simplify any further that which is inside the bracket. Saka in this case, A multiplying the bracket of B plus C. B plus C is in its simplest form possible because we cannot add B plus C any further. Saka bracket redu rakanaka. What we do next is, we said when we are removing brackets, the term which is outside the bracket is going to multiply every term inside the bracket. Saka A achatanga multiplier B, which is the first term inside the bracket. A zvakare achazo multiplier C, which is the next term inside the bracket. Saka when we are doing this, tichati A times B, it's AB, plus toti A times C, AC. Kana tadaiso, tabva from a state where we have brackets to a state where we do not have brackets. By so doing, we have removed the brackets. From removing the brackets, we went further to explain what is called the expansion of brackets. How do we expand brackets? Saka tiri pa expansion of brackets, we are taking the removal of brackets a bit further. Saka our general example under the expansion of brackets, we are going to say the bracket of A plus B is multiplying the bracket of C plus D. Saka what is going to be the rule here? Chekutanga, we look inside our brackets, A plus B, then the second bracket, C plus D. we discover that there is nothing else we can do. We cannot simplify the brackets any further. They are existing in their simplest form possible. So what are we rather going to do? We are going to say the first bracket is going to multiply every term in the next bracket. Kana kuti tiri kuti every term in the first bracket is going to multiply every term in the next bracket. How is this done? Tichati a ino-ish, it's going to multiply this bracket. Then after a yapedza kumultiply a bracket, b zvakare achamultiply the same bracket. Saka a kumultiply a bracket kwaari kuita ndekudai so. Tiri kuti a achamultiply c plus a omultiply futi d. Mazvona, a, which is a term in the first bracket, multiply the next bracket. By what? By removing the brackets. Saka, removing the brackets is a very important prerequisite to the expansion of brackets. Because kana tichi expand ma brackets, we are literally taking removing brackets a step further. Saka a multiply every term in the next bracket, a times c, a times d, so that plus b multiply every term in the next bracket, b times c plus b times d. Tadai so. Then we are going to say a times c Indian ac plus a times d Indian d plus b times c Indian dbc plus b times d Indian dbd. Do we have any commonalities? AC, AD, BC, BD. Hatina ma terms akafanana. Kureva kuti this actually makes our final answer. This makes our final answer. So zvatakuda kuita apa ndisandaenda hangu anyway. I told you kuti even though it's not mathematically wrong, it is mathematically irresponsible kuti patinonyora ma variables edu timanyore in whatever order. Saka the order we employ as the board of mathematics, we are going to say kana tichinyora ma variables, we are going to follow their position in the alphabetical order. Kureva kuti hatinyori chiti ca, tinonyora tichiti ac. Kunyangwe this is correct, hansi kuda kuti munitore wrong panapa. Tikanyora chiti ca plus da plus cb plus db, this is also correct. But isusu we are going to follow their positions in the alphabetical order. You understand? Saka tatoita, in fact, we have briefly summarized what we did in our first and second class under the cluster topic algebra. Chatakuda kuita now manje, takuda kuintroduce what is going to be the subject matter of today's lesson. Mu lesson ranhasi, we want to discuss about coefficients. Saka takambozotaura hedu, but panapa takutozvidzidza as a subject area. Saka kana tichitaura pamusoro a coefficient, by definition tinongotaura tichiti the number multiplying a variable. And a variable we discussed kuti inogona kunzi chi unknown. That is a coefficient. This is a number which is multiplying a variable, kana kuti multiplying an unknown. That is a coefficient. Saka if we give an example panapa, like tikati 2x, tinogona kuti x over 3, like this. Saka we have to first identify the unknown. Of course, in both cases, the x. Saka mubvunzo ukati what is going to be the coefficient of x in part 1 and the coefficient of x in part 2? In part 1 the coefficient of x anenge ari 2 because 2 ndo iri kumultiply x. Kuti 2x zvinongoreva kuti 2 times x. Then the coefficient of x in the second part is going to be a third. Saka apa ndo panogona kuconfuse zvishoma apa because I once asked one of my students akati the coefficient is 3 because of the illusion yekufunga kuti number ingori padhuze ne unknown ndiyo coefficient. No, tadefine a coefficient tichiti the number multiplying a variable. That is very important. Saka number iyi iri kumultiplya variable. So x inoi we can separate it into a third multiplying x. 1 times x ndo inozongova x, then 3 times 1 iri panapa ndo inozongova 3. Kureva kuti this will give us x over 3. Saka ino ish ndiyo coefficient. Mapaona. Saka we are going now to our first example, which apparently is the only example we are going to deal with in this lesson. Then we take you directly to the exercise. Question is saying find the coefficient of n in bracket 4n plus 3 bracket n minus 5 minus bracket 2n minus 3 squared. Saka tinoiwana say we should firstly expand. That is the way we find our answer, by expanding the brackets. Saka we have 4n plus 3 n minus 5 minus 2n minus 3 squared. Saka tinotanga tatarisa mukati memabrackets. Tiri kutsvaga kuti can we solve anything? 4n plus 3 hatikwanisi kuiedda any further. N minus 5 the same, 2n minus 3 the same. Saka we have satisfied our golden rule that we should solve what is in the brackets first, always. From there, we are going to start doing what? We are going to start expanding the brackets. But we want to do this in order. Order yatoda kuita. Toda kutanga tamultiply bracket rino iri ne bracket iri. Then from there, tozosolva kunoko. Then tozozvibatanidza. You understand? Saka kana tika multiply this bracket ne iri bracket iri, we are basically going to multiply 4n times the bracket, then later 3 times the same bracket. So tinogona kuzviita in two ways. There is a way which is a bit longer, but it's a bit safer also. So this is the method I want you to employ as yet. Tichati 4n, you can multiply the first term in the next bracket, which is n, tobva tati plus 4n, it will multiply the next term, which is what? Minus 5. Like this. Saka 4n ya multiply term yekutanga, 4n ika multiply term yechipiri. 4n multiplying n, so that plus 4n multiplying minus 5. Take note, plus, but 5 inoi should carry its sign, minus 5. Do not make a mistake there. From there to vatati plus 3. The second term inside the first bracket, multiplying n, you have to plus 3, multiplying minus 5. Then, zviri kuno kutongozvinyora sezvazviri. Minus 2n minus 3 squared. Mapaona? Saka, bracket redu rekutanga, ra multiplier, bracket redu rechi2. In the way of expanding brackets, which we have learned in our previous class, and did summarize in this current class. Tadaro manje, let us do the multiplication. Saka 4n times n is going to be 4n squared. Saka ma numbers ano multiply na ega, ma variables o multiply na ega. This is something you should know. Saka rega ndingochisummarize pasi panapa. Kana tichiti 4n multiplying n, process yataita ndeyekuti 4 yamultiplyana ne1, saka macoefficients anomultiplyana ega, then maunknown omultiplyana futi ega. Saka panapa 4 times 1 ndi4, n times n ndi n squared, ndopabuda nani na n squared iyo. So this is something you should just know, and it's not at all difficult to know. From here to tati, before tati plus, we have to be careful. Masign akakosha. 4n times minus 5. So it's 4 times minus 5. Inotipachi minus 20. Remember kuti the negative is a very powerful sign. So kuti pese painosangana ne anything inochita negative. Saka a negative multiplying a positive, tinowana a negative answer. A positive multiplying a negative, tinowana futi a negative answer. So this is something you should be handy with. Yet it's 4n multiplying minus 5. Kureva kuti the answer will be minus 20n. Panapa 3 times n, that's plus 3n. And 3 times minus 5, it's minus 15. Panapa yongodzoka yakadai so sezvaingori in the original. Okay, tadaro, let us now say, let us look at this expression kubva pa 4n squared kusvika pa minus 15. We want to see kana tine anything chatinokwanisa kusimplify any further. Saka before we simplify, remember our first lesson under algebra. Takati we have to rearrange the expression in such a way yekuti tinotanga nema positives. But we also said kuti patinenge tichirearrange tinofanirwa kurespecta mapowers a-n. Saka panapa tina n squared, n to the power 2. Tina n to the power 1, which is just n. Saka tinotanga na n to the power 2, tozoenda kuna n to the power 1. We have to respect the order kana to the powers. Saka rearranging, it's going to be 4n squared panapa. Then it's plus 3n minus 20n minus 15. Ino inongodzoka yakadaro. Like this. Mapaona. Saka zvataita panapa, we rearranged terms in n, and tatanga ne positive 3n tikazotevera negative minus 20n. Saka solving this, it's just 4n squared. Now tava kuti 3n minus 20n. So we discussed in our earlier lessons kuti minus 20n plus 3n poses a certain level of difficulty than kuti 3n minus 20n. Nepamusana pekuti 3n minus 20n, it's quite obvious that our answer is going to be negative. Saka panapa, it's simply 20 subtracting 3, which is 17. Then our answer, we write it as minus 17n. As straightforward as that. Then minus 15 yongonyorwa yakadaro. Panapa iyongodzoka yakadaro. 2n minus 3, but it is squared. Alright, saka zvatakuda kuita manje, tapedza kusolva the first part of our expression. Takuda kusolva the next part of our expression. Saka zvatichita panapa ndezvekuti takuda kusolva part na 2n minus 3 squared. Saka inoi tinongoramba tichinyora sezvairi 4n squared minus 17n minus 15 minus takuisa a boxed bracket. Then 2n minus 3 squared zvinongoreva kuti 2n minus 3 multiplying 2n minus 3 ndozvazvinoreva, because it's 2n minus 3 squared. I remember in one of my earlier classes pa algebra, we dramatized kuti nemhaka iri tichingoti we squared the whole bracket. So now it should be apparently obvious. Solving this further, inongoramba ichinyorwa sezvairi minus 15 minus, then we do the operation yatamboita kuno uku yeku expanda mabrackets. but panapa ndoda kuzviita hangu directly. 2n times 2n, it's 4n squared. 2n times minus 3 ndi minus 6n, minus 3 times 2n minus 6n zvakare, minus 3 times minus 3 ndi plus 9. Patinowanza kuvhiringidza vanhu ndeyekupedzisira inoi. We are multiplying a negative and a negative. We get a positive. Always remember that. Saka cross-checking 2n times 2n, 4n squared, correct? 2n times minus 3 to minus 6n. Saka first term I multiply the whole bracket. Then minus 3 times 2n minus 6n minus 3 times 3 times minus 3 the plus 9. The second term you can multiply the second bracket also. Saka panapa it's going to be 4n squared minus 17n minus 15 minus. We are going to soon discover the necessity of putting my boxed brackets here, because this negative sign is actually multiplying the product we get from 2n minus 3 squared. Saka zvese zviri ku right kwe minus sign zvese zvinofanirwa kuva negated, kana kuti zvese zvino affectwa ne the negative sign. This is very 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 vitally important, sacrosanct. Saka ma brackets awa anangoiswa out of fashion. They are serving a very particular purpose. Saka panapa we solve what is inside the boxed brackets. It becomes 4n squared minus 12n plus 9. Apparently there is no need to rearrange anything, because the terms in n, they are all negative. From there now it's 4n squared minus 17n minus 15. Minus inoita mbotaura tichiti negative ye the whole product yatinowana. Saka minus inoi, which is minus 1 by the way, icha multiply 4n squared yobva yaita minus 4n squared, minus icha multiply minus 12n yobva yaita plus 12n, because the minus times minus, remember, minus icha multiply plus 9 yobva yaita chi minus 9, like this. Okay, tasvika panapa we have to group terms, we have to rearrange, but honoring the orders, the powers inside the expression. So it's going to be totanga na n squared, so it's 4n squared inoi minus 4n squared iyo. Then takwenda kuna n, tine here positive, yes, plus 12n. Then panapa it's minus 17n. Then ma n apera takwenda kuma constants, it's just minus 15 minus 9. Alright, saka chatinotanga kuita, we should check kuti tarearrange zvakanaka here. How many terms pamusoro? 1 2 3 4 5 6 pazasi 1 2 3 4 5 6. 4n squared yaramba iri positive, minus 17n ikaramba iri negative, minus 15 ikaramba iri negative, minus 4n squared ikaramba iri negative, plus 12n ikaramba iri positive, minus 9 ikaramba iri negative. Correct. Saka 4n squared minus 4n squared, it's just going to be 0, because we are subtracting a term from itself. Then panapa takuya takuti, what about 12n minus 17n? 12n minus 17n is going to give us minus 5n, like this. And minus 15 minus 9, of course it's going to be, tikabvisa 4 panapa tikaisa apa inoita 20, pano pachisara paine 5, saka it's minus 25. Is it so? It's actually minus 24 panapa. Saka tadaro manje, this is not the final answer. Question yedu yanga ichimbobvunzei, but it's okay, reku question. Question yedu iri kuda kuti tiwane chi, the coefficient of n, kureva kuti the number multiplying n. Saka tinongodzoka kuno totarisa kuti what is the coefficient of n. Therefore, the coefficient of n is -5, because -5 ndiyo iri kumultiply n. Mazvoona, it's not difficult to tell the truth. It's not difficult. Saka as is our custom, takukupai homework taken from the NGM 3 and it's chapter 4. Chagai exercise 4E. Not meet 1A, meter after 1F, meter number 2, meter 3D, meter number 4, number 7, and number 8. So these are the questions I want you to do. So kana mamaita, you know what you have to do. If you have any questions concerning this lesson, please ask in the comments section. But if you want to join our digitalized online school, the Math Hub, you have to get to us on these 2 numbers on WhatsApp. But if you want to call rather, you can also call us on this second number. But you should be advised that it is also available on WhatsApp. So both numbers, they are WhatsApp numbers, but this one is also available for calls. Thank you for your patience and endurance, and I hope you have learned something new, and take care.